How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, I see you in all the YouTube videos. Holy shit. She's right there.
It's not me.
I know, it's happening.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up, bro? I'm Q.
Q?
Yeah. Start this joint. Shit, yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. The videos don't do it justice. And when you see this shit in person, it's clean.
Should get you on, man, for racing.
Dude, I got a motorcycle. I ride a big
shit. Yeah, you probably a little too tall for a single cab anyway.
You think I can't fit in here? I sit in here?
Try it,
Let's see.
See if you fit in there, man. You're pretty good inside a single cab, man.
Oh, no, you might want to get one.
Especially a Chevy.
Alright, guys, so guess where I'm at? We stopped at Project Torque out this joint. You feel me? At the boy FreddyLSX shop out here, man. I had to come through. Oh, they got the whole, that's the joint right there, man. He getting that boy cleaned up. Sheesh. This shit is dope. So I see this in all the racing videos, man. And now he got this joint out here getting washed and clean. Look at this joint. It's kind of dope. Hell yeah. So this is what y'all see in the video, man. Project Torque. That shit fast though. A whole bunch of, I think this is his new giveaway truck. Clean. American Forces. Yes, sir. This joint is dope. Another SS over there. Man. Hey, this kind of surreal, for real. You see it in the videos, then you see it in person. I think this is the current giveaway truck right here. But anyway, guys, he was actually just outside when I pulled up, but my GoPro messed up, so. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, I see you in all the YouTube videos. Holy shit. She's right there.
It's not me.
I know, it's happening. I told my wife I saw Freddy when I pulled up. I said, I got nervous. I said, oh shit.
If you have any questions, if you don't see us, I'm currently restocking everything.
Okay.
If you don't see a size up here or a particular shirt that you have online, let me know. I'll probably have it in the back. All right, thank you.
Sheesh.
I love your makeup. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Never get it like that.
Oh.
It took me some practice in more YouTube videos. So yeah.
This is dope.
Oh my god. Is it like a product or like? For me, it's like you buy more expensive stuff. It's like, well, this still ain't working.
Oh, they talking about makeup.
This
is dope.
Look like her, so I'm trying to make it look like me. That's why I try never to do like.
This is dope. We gotta cop some merch, man, for sure. That's his wife. I told you like he had started shopping. People broke in.
Oh
yeah, that was this. People broke in and stole all the stuff. They get them made from they soft. I like that. Cause I don't like when you get a sweatshirt. Huh? Gildan? Yeah. When you get a sweatshirt and they like rough on the inside, you know?
Oh yeah.
See, you can start on something like this though.
At least the weather told me that.
Yeah, I know.
I thought it was gonna rain. I thought like.
Yeah.
And it usually rains in LST. Like when we've set up booths there,
yeah.
It's rained and we have to like set up plywood because it gets where we set up, it gets really muddy.
Yeah, everybody was saying wear like mud boots.
Yeah, there's a trail, like a rock trail, but like if you go into the vendors and you're gonna buy something, then you'll get a little.
Why did y'all do a booth this year? Why did y'all do it
We're
this year?
so close to it. We're like 10 minutes away.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's
We're
true.
10 minutes away, so we're like, should we take all
the trucks
the
and
merch
cars?
and go set up, or should we just stay open? People come before they go to the show.
Yeah.
And then we're staying a little later, just in case people want to come after the show. We got a lot of people just passing by, and they're like, "Oh, we didn't know it was like down here." Because literally, you can take all the road.
Yeah, just straight down to it.
Okay.
Yeah, this will be our first time going, so we came
You guys from here?
Came from Dallas.
Oh, so you drove down here.
Yeah, I drove down here. Yeah.
It's supposed to be a pretty good show.
Yeah. So it's worth check it out.
To see, so like you can just walk and eat.
Yeah, really.
You sound like her. Look, she like they got food. They got food there. Man.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good. But you gotta get a picture.
Hey, how's it going, man?
What's up, bro? I'm Q.
Q?
Yeah.
Vlogging too?
Yeah, man. I just hit 14,000 subscribers.
Hey, that ain't bad, dude.
Yeah, I'm in Dallas. I'm up from Dallas, man. That's my F-150, the red one.
Yeah. You watch YouTuber on a budget?
Yeah.
You came over here
I see you trying to race you though in his F-150. I told him I was gonna be in town. I haven't hung out with him, but he said he's gonna be in Webster this weekend. I was trying to catch up with him, but
he's cool people, man.
Yeah, he's cool. Yeah, I wanna see what he got. I got an EcoBoost. So I want to see. He got the V8 supercharged. So yeah, I want to race him and see just the difference, you know.
Twin turbo?
Yeah. Factory. Yeah. Twin turbo factory. And I got a tune on it, you know. So.
Yeah, let's see what it does, man.
Yeah, man. I see. Hey, you motherfucker, get a picture, bro? Oh, this is my wife.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Let me take this mask off, man. That's about a picture, bro. All right, thank you.
Let me go check out my truck, man. Then just brought it back from court.
Okay, bet.
Oh, it's because they're very introduced. Yeah, he hadn't seen the truck, the SS clone.
Oh, that black one right there? That thing is gorgeous.
I really posted it much, but
Oh, I thought that was the other guy that just pulled up in it.
no, that's his. He's like low key
Yeah.
putting it up because it's too many trucks to put like. He can't just put like a video and be like, hey, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, this is a week old. We're like, well, he can't. I know. He's like, he can't do it. Like, there's other videos that go up before. He has the whole thing like timeline wise. Like, it's like a little.
It's like a story.
Yeah. He's like, I can't just post something.
Just scared.
And then I make the mistake of posting like I'll record my daughter and it'll be a truck behind him or the. I posted a winter video when we were in that lockdown and that GTO that he just bought. Well, I ended up recording it like it was in the background. They're like,
oh, so I gotta go outside and see the truck.
yeah,
So Freddie right here right now. I guess he just got this truck. Looking at it, this joint is nasty. It's clean. The paint is clean on it, bro. I want to hear him start this joint up. It's an old school joint. What you know about that?
Like crocodile seats.
Oh yeah, they show live. That's a crocodile seat there.
That's cool.
Look at the steering wheel. That's actually kind of nice.
Yeah.
The steering wheel? Real nice. It's a stick. So you gotta shift that joint. Start this joint. That shit sound good. Damn. Clean. Sheesh. What size tire is this, bro? Bro, what size tires wheel is this on the back?
I think those are 24 by 15.
Shit. 24. Dang, this boy is clean. You just got this?
Yeah, I had it at the paint shop for like 3 weeks.
Okay.
I got it back.
Dude, I love this bed liner too. You got this done too?
Yeah, they did it right there.
Damn. Yeah, this is nice, bro.
What's the name of this one?
Hey, babe, it actually works. Yeah. We didn't know it worked. She was looking at it.
Yeah, that's cool.
I didn't know it worked. No power steering, huh? You gotta fight that to turn that joint, man. That's crazy. Shit, yeah. It's loud, bro. Sheesh. That shit, that's clean. That's clean. That's clean. Be honest with you, bro. The videos don't do it justice. And when you see this shit in person, it's clean. I'm not a single cab guy, but this shit is clean, bro.
You should get you one, man, for racing.
Yeah, dude, I got a motorcycle. I ride a vehicle.
Oh, shit.
I saw your grind videos. Yeah. But no, I drive motorcycles, so that's my speed, man. That's why.
Well, shit, if you drive a motorcycle, riding one of these ain't gonna feel like shit.
I know, but I do want to bring like a car to the channel. So, but I ain't gonna even ask you what all you got done to everybody see videos, you know.
Yeah, this is only a 6.0 with it's board 30 over with the hand. With
yeah.
Board polished head.
Yeah.
Only pushing like 430 to the wheels.
Yeah,
but I mean, it's good for the burnouts and shit.
Yeah.
We're building that other turbo truck so we could do like more road racing and shit.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah. But
which one? This turbo in this one? No. You did another one. You got another one.
Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy, bro. This thing is gorgeous in person, dude.
It's clean, huh?
Yeah, it's clean.
It messed up. The paint was like this, but
yeah,
all the washing and driving it through mud and shit.
Yeah.
I don't know if you seen whenever that intro we always put with the Corvette and shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's when we took this one. It was all muddy and shit.
Gotcha. Where the vet at? Where's the vet?
Oh, it's in the garage. You can
Oh, it's in the garage? I go in there?
Yeah, check it out.
That's cool. I want to go riding this goddamn thing, bro. This thing is sick, dude.
We park it straight because this shit bothers me.
What you,
You know what I'm saying? It bothers me to see it not straight.
what you mean? Are you talking about the lines?
Yeah.
He said it's not straight. Shit. Bro. Man. You got a cam too, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, of course. If I do get anything, it'll be a car though, man. Like, I like the car seat, man.
Yeah, you're probably a little too tall for a single cab anyway.
You think I can't fit in here? I sit in here?
Try it,
Let's see. You got it?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Is it recording?
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's going. It's
Okay,
going.
cool.
All right.
Let's see if you fit in there, man.
Let's see. I'm a big dude, bro. Oh, shit. Hold on. I can get in here, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it all the way back?
Yeah, it's all the way back. You probably tilt the steering wheel a little
You
bit
probably
up.
see the steering wheel. I ain't gonna do it, but
Yeah.
I can get in here, bro.
Yeah, you're pretty good inside a single cab, man.
Oh no, man, you might maybe want to get one,
Especially a Chevy. What you think about getting like a Mustang or something like that, or?
So I wanna. I mean, I'm a Mopar guy, man.
Oh yeah.
Like, you know, like the Hellcat, Scat, Fab,
Yeah.
guy. But the thing with the Mustang, I appreciate it, man. Oh, unless you want me to talk.
That's cool. Yeah, talk.
Oh, okay. So the thing with like the Mustang, like this, I'm just too big for it.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
I'm just a big guy.
So you need like a Challenger.
I need like a Challenger, bro. I'm a big guy. I need a big car.
Hey, whenever you do get it, man,
Yeah.
make sure you come by with.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna run you, bro.
give it a
I can bring the bike.
Nah. Check it out inside there.
Yeah, I'm gonna check out the vet in here.
I gotta take a truck out of it.
Let's see the vet, bro.
Yeah, it's in here, man.
So-
Oh fuck, my Corvette's not here.
Yeah, what? Oh, they took it back to the house.
Yeah. I drove that bitch back yesterday.
Yeah, this is crazy, bro. So how long, like, dude, how to get? This your first time running like a business like this?
Yeah.
Like how man?
Well, I've always had little businesses like
Yeah.
little side hustles.
Yeah, I did. So you used to do like the balloon house thing, the bounce houses. You
cut
said.
grass and
Yeah.
pressure washing. Like I try to do everything, you know.
Yeah. I feel you. I mean, I'm trying to do my own business now, man. You know, but
Yeah.
just to go from that to this,
That's crazy, dude. I really never. I didn't think it was gonna blow up like
This
it did.
is respect, bro, for
Yeah.
sure. This
Hell yeah.
respect, man. This motivation, man. But yeah.
But like you seen, my shit went from like how many subscribers was it whenever?
The dude said it was like
It was
1,000 or something like that,
Yeah, like
dude.
3 years ago. So
Yeah, now you're at
everything's
260.
possible, dude.
It is,
For
bro.
anybody, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure. Hey guys, so as y'all saw, I just met and talked with Freddie for a good little second off camera, man. I was telling Brielle, because she like, I'd be scared to talk to some people sometimes, like famous people, because like you don't want to put the camera right in somebody's face if you never met them before. And I always got my camera on, usually recording, so I don't want it to seem like I'm like trying to, I guess most people say chase for clout, like just put somebody in a video who's famous so you get famous. And I'm not that type of person. Man, Freddie was cool, like I said, as on camera, as he was cooler off camera, I think, than his on camera, man. We was just in there rapping, like we was talking like he met me before, you know. But man, he was super cool. We was talking about a little about YouTube and just, you know, all that stuff, and you know, oh, they racing. We was talking about YouTube and all that stuff, man. And he was just cool dude, man. Do not act like he has the status that he has. Him and his wife, Brielle talked to his wife for a good bit.
Yeah, they're super cool.
I mean, they're just normal people at the end of the day, but they act like it. You know, some people out here, YouTubers, that when you meet them, they don't act like they do on camera as they do off camera. They're different, but man, they were super cool people. I don't know if it's gonna be a whole nother video, new video, separate video, or what, but anyway, yeah, we about to pull up here, and I'll catch y'all here in a second, or if this is the end of this video, I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.